overall when nguleke performance both teams, it is a game now finally I deserve a draw for me, honestly. Nothing special from both teams. Kaizer Chiefs, there's no creativity. Marumo Kalans, Bahepi, Ngokdlali Chop Chop. It's like we're playing a small sided without scoring. And then you only deserve a draw. It took one moment, and you know, we got to a scorer. It was a goal. None other than that, I won't say Kaizer Chiefs did very well. I think they came to the point of we're gonna win. Go to the field, we die for one another. Identity, how they play today. Honestly, Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, I don't think it's one of the best performance. Yes, they won, but not benefit. No, we won. We are number 2. But truly speaking, how they play, there was no build up in their team. A link between the defense and abantu baba phambili ukuthi babathole ngikhuluma ngoma how many times bamkhipha lo mfana overs how many times ngikhuluma nge-combination play esabengekho in today's game. Instead this guy babe ne-combination play first half, but now bebangahate Chiefs
away from the goals.
Very far, they bebangana reference. Even their wingers dropping, coming to the middle field. That's why it is. I'm trying to understand how he coach players. The coach, the Marumo Kalans, how he coach team the way Afuni Lenga corner. I'm not too sure. Angaz guti magating in any ground you want to get a goal or go to the field and say if I can get 1 point I will be happy. Because udlala like to get a draw. Udlala home, you're playing as if you want to get a draw. How many shots on target in Kulmanga? Yeah, and aside in the Kaizer Chiefs, nothing. So well done to Kaizer Chiefs, but truly speaking, the game, honestly, a boring game for me.